guys, what we'll need is our eyebrow pomade, a spoolie, an angle brush, and a flat brush, a concealer, and some foundation. So first what we're going to do, we're going to spoolie these eyebrows. Next we're going to take our pomade, and we always want to start at the bottom first. Go all the way to the end. Always follow the shape of your original eyebrows. And we do the top the same way. Follow that shape we already have. Then we're just gonna fill them in. Now we're going to take our spoolie and we're just going to go through our brows, so that way there's no clumping or lumping of product, and we're going to fade the front just by using the spoolie. Next we're going to take our concealer. Because I am doing a look after this, I'm going to use a lighter concealer. And I'm going to take some and put it on the back of my hand. Then I will be using the flat liner brush. And just going right under it, under my brow. I'm going to do it the same way. Follow the natural shape of my brow. And now that I've got it nice and straight, I'm going to drag my concealer down. And now for the top, we'll use the foundation, because we're not going to use the lighter concealer because we don't want the halo effect. So I'm going to use a different brush because the other brush fell. But it's the same concept. Take the foundation and we're going to go against our natural brow, the same shape like we did when we were using a pomade. And you always want to make sure your shape is right before you start blending out. So now that our shape is right, it's nice and neat, go ahead on and blend that foundation out. And because I'm only doing one brow, I'll just go ahead with my foundation brush and just go up the middle of my nose to get any excess that was there. And as you can see, we have a nice blended, neat eyebrow. If you would like to see more tutorials, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.